This year's summer season is expected to be a normal one. Now, this was articulated by the Meteorology Department's Director, Dudu Nhlengetfwa, during an exclusive interview with Swazi TV. We have a report.
As the summer season approaches, most farmers are asking themselves many questions on how this summer season will look like. According to the director from the Meteorological Department, Dudu Nhlengetfwa, this summer season will be normal.
We are seeing quite a number of frontal systems pushing through, which then gives us high pressure gradients and therefore the strong winds that we are experiencing. And we will continue to plead with the nation to be careful with fires, to avoid destruction to our environment and also to property, because those are some of the problems that we normally have during such windy days. And today is one such windy day. We will plead for that. But yes, it's a transition period, so we are seeing a lot of variation in our weather. And having said that, we have seen a relatively warm day today, but tomorrow we're expecting the temperatures to drop. We're expecting high falls temperatures to be at about 20 degrees, but then they will rise again on Thursday and then drop again towards the weekend, Friday, and over the weekend we will have cooler temperatures again. We're expecting a cool weekend. So it's just for everyone to be careful and take care of what they need to take care of as we see those variations during this transition period. Talking about the summer, at an earlier stage, there were indications that we might be going into El Nino again, but those fears have been allayed. Our oceans, our systems are showing that we are not going to be having another El Nino this year, but we are going to remain neutral. At this point in time, we are busy finalizing the forecast. We should be out soon, but currently the indicators are showing that we are going to experience a normal summer. Having said that, a normal summer is normal in the sense that it's an average summer. So depending on the region where you are, you need to sort of be familiar of what is average, what is normal for that area. And if you have any doubts, you can consult the office so that you know specifically what sort of rainfall averages to expect. But also, again, I would plead that everyone continuously keep in touch with the forecast, as we are seeing more variations disturbing our weather. We see changes in the distribution of rainfall and so on.
Masina also appealed to the members of the public to avoid starting fires because the country is experiencing heavy rainfalls, which then results to damaging the environment. For Swazi TV News Report, I'm Dudu Nhlengetfwa with Ernest Mabaso in Babane.